Hello everybody, how are you? I hope everybody's doing great. I received this package from Lucy's Unboxing Live here on YouTube. She's amazing and she was doing a random giveaway and I won. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it here for the video. So I got my scissors here. I'm gonna open this up. So if you're still not following her here on YouTube, I highly suggest it because she does great videos of unboxing. That's mainly what she does. She unboxes everything from, it could be makeup, nail, perfume, everything. And she's very sweet and she always gives back to the people who support her and support her channel. So let me see how I can open this. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at this. That's so cute. That is adorable. This is the back of it. This is her with her dogs. Oh, and the cat. Aren't they all gorgeous? That's so sweet. I love this. Here's a little note for me. Let me quickly show you the card. Beautiful. It says thank you and with the notes inside and the stickers. Love that. So let's see what I see here. Ooh, LYS. This is a brand that I've been dying to try out. It's always on my list. So this is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Oh, I'm intrigued. I definitely want to try this. That's great. That's a brand that I've always wanted to try. From Dr. Brandt, I've heard great things from this brand. I'm not sure if I've tried something from them. I can't remember. And I think I liked it. It's an exfoliator. So it's like skincare. Can't wait to try that. I love skincare. This is the Farah Eyeshadow Primer. Never heard of this brand, actually. But that's good. Then I see over here. Let's see, what is this? This is the EOS Evolution of Smooth. This is the Ultra Derm Hand Cream. Ooh, and it's vanilla cashmere. Great. This is great. It definitely, let me see the scent. Oh wow, that's very sweet. I love it. It smells really good. So that's good to always have. Then we have the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion, which is great. Actually, my mom loves this brand as well. And this is a perfect size. It's a travel size that you could put in your bag, so you can always have it with you. And here, let's see. Okay, this is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. I have this one because I think we both got it in our ice cream beauty box, and I love this one. This is amazing and it's very blinding, so I have a backup of it because I have this one as well. So when that one's done, I'll continue using this one. This is great. I love that brand. From ELF, there's a lip exfoliator. Great. This is the brown sugar one. I need this because my lips are always so dry, especially now. I can't wait to try this. And I've never tried a exfoliator from ELF, so that's good. Then we have from Paradox. This is the Repair Game Changer Hair Mask. Ooh, great. Can't wait to try this one. I've never tried this brand before. I don't think I've heard from this brand before. So that's good. I have a little small one here. What's Up Beauty. And this is an eyeshadow duo. Let's see the colors. Ooh, that is pretty. Feels creamy. That's nice. Look at this shimmer. Wow. This is so pretty. Ooh, can't wait to try that. Plus, I love that color. I love purple. I think I see another LYS here. This is a multi-purpose highlighter. I'm not sure if this is the color. If it is, it's a bit dark, but you could also use it for your eyes. So can't wait to try this. Then I see something here bigger. Let me move this out of the way. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is the Huda Beauty empowered palette, I guess. I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty, so this is super exciting to try. This is the eyeshadow palette. Let's see the colors. Oh, I've seen this online, people reviewing it. That's beautiful cover. Oh, I love these tones. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to try this. Let me know if you want me to do a look with this. I could totally do that, and I'm dying to try it, so let me know in the comments down below. I see some cream over here. Yeah, these two that you could use as eyeliner as well, and some mattes, and these shimmers look very good. Can't wait to try this. This is gorgeous. So that's everything that I got from Lucy. Make sure to check her YouTube out, because like I said, you won't regret it. She's super sweet, very kind. I'm gonna link her channel in the description box so you can check it out, and if you do, show her some love and let her know that I sent you over. So thank you again, Lucy. Love you so much. I appreciate it, and I'm super happy that I got it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.